G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I'm starting on a new bathroom this morning. The owners are a young couple and they have stripped it out and that sort of thing. It's not a biggie, it's 4 square meters on the floor, but it's going to be fully tiled up to the ceiling. Yeah, up to the cornice up there. The owners, they're a young couple in their late 20s, and they've stripped it out, ready to go. It's not quite as good as it should be, but I can waterproof it nicely and it will come out a treat by the time it's finished. He's a DIYer, which is so good because he's giving it a go. So that's what I want you people to do, and hopefully if I can show you enough through my videos, you give things a go yourself. Okay, we'll see you in a minute. Bye.